As an AI-powered language model, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and leverage its power to make money online. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you automate your business, generate leads, and create content that drives traffic to your website. Here are some ways you can use the power of ChatGPT to make money online. Content creation and curation. One of the key ways to make money online is to create high-quality content that engages your audience and drives traffic to your website. ChatGPT can help you with this by generating content ideas, creating outlines, and even writing full articles based on the topic you provide. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to curate content from various sources and compile it into a well-organized blog post or article. This can save you a lot of time and effort while still producing high-quality content that attracts readers and potential customers. Social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your brand and driving traffic to your website. However, managing multiple social media accounts can be time-consuming and overwhelming. ChatGPT can help you automate your social media marketing by creating and scheduling posts, responding to comments, and even analyzing your social media metrics. By using ChatGPT to manage your social media accounts, you can focus on other aspects of your business while still maintaining a strong online presence. Customer service and support. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building a loyal customer base and generating repeat business. However, managing customer inquiries and support tickets can be a daunting task, especially for small businesses with limited resources. ChatGPT can help you automate your customer service and support by responding to common inquiries, providing product recommendations, and even troubleshooting technical issues. By using ChatGPT to handle your customer service tasks, you can free up your time and resources to focus on growing your business. Lead generation. Generating leads is an essential part of any online business strategy. However, identifying potential customers and collecting their contact information can be time-consuming and challenging. And ChatGPT can help you automate your lead generation by creating personalized messages that target specific demographics and interests. By using ChatGPT to generate leads, you can save time and resources while still reaching a wider audience and increasing your sales potential. E-commerce optimization. If you have an online store, optimizing your product listings and customer experience is critical for increasing sales and generating revenue. ChatGPT can help you optimize your e-commerce strategy by creating product descriptions, recommending products based on customer preferences, and even personalizing your website's user experience. By using ChatGPT to optimize your e-commerce strategy, you can provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers while still maximizing your revenue potential. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for making money online. By leveraging its advanced natural language processing capabilities, you can automate various aspects of your business, generate leads, and create high-quality content that drives traffic to your website. However, it's essential to remember that ChatGPT is just one tool in your arsenal. To make the most of its power, you need to have a well-defined online business strategy that aligns with your overall goals and objectives. By combining ChatGPT with other tools and tactics, you can create a strong online presence that drives sales and generates revenue.